Experiment 9 monitors and displays the level of charge on a capacitor, with the voltage reading being taken through analog input 0 on the Pico. The positive terminal is connected to 3.3 volts via a momentary push button and a potentiometer. The potentiometer allows the rate of charge to be adjusted, as the level of resistance directly affects the current flow. The lower the resistance, the higher the current flow, and so the faster the capacitor will charge. The capacitor will only charge whilst the push button is held down. Red, orange, yellow and green LEDs are connected to pins GP14 to GP17 and are used to display the current level of charge in the capacitor. 220 ohm resistors in series with the LEDs limit the current to appropriate levels. The analog reading of the voltage is converted to a percentage, with the resulting value dictating which LEDs are turned on or off. To discharge the capacitor, another momentary push button needs to be held down, allowing the charge to dissipate to ground through a 2.2 kΩ resistor.